high grade 1 high grade 1 Egyptian syllabus. Today I will start unit 2 in your English new English syllabus book. But before I will go to review unit 2 today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. I would like to say something again, that this video for Egyptian syllabus grade 1 unit 2, the new English syllabus book. Let's go to our unit today. Today I will review unit 2 from the assessment book. You can see this in your assessment book that we have, that is with your textbook. I think all of us have this book. Okay, unit 2, the garden of colors and shapes. Let's read this, let's do this exercise together. Look, read, and match. This is the kind of question that it will be you in your exam test. Here we have sky, we have bird, we have tree, we have grass. Which one is sky here? This one is sky. Bird, this one is bird. Tree, this one. I'm listening to you saying, this is a tree. Grass, this one. Let's go to answer the question below. The next question. Here is activity 2. What if this, as we know during the lesson, we know this thing is what, or this answer what, to be here butterfly are clever people. What is this flower? I'm listening you saying, flower, you are clever. What is this grass? You are clever. Sky, not flower. So here we have, what can I answer this question by? Subject plus verb plus object. I think all of us know this rule, and we know this rule. We know this rule several times, and this rule with every question in this part, with every question I write it all the time. So this rule is must be kept. Okay, must be kept. Let's do this, the first sentence together. It will be here what? It will be, I will start by the subject. The subject here, it will be the grass. It will be here the grass. I start by the grass. Where is the verb? Where is the verb here? It will be is what? Is green. So here is subject, verb, object. Okay, this is the component of the sentence. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we have, is a butterfly. It will be here, this is a butterfly. This is a butterfly. So subject, here is verb, and object, a butterfly. This is a butterfly. Okay, here is a butterfly. Now, the next one, let's go together. Here we have, I can see a tree. To be here, I can see a tree. I can see a tree. I can see a tree. Okay. So here is subject, here is verb, here is object. So here we apply the rule on the sentence. To know how to apply this rule on this sentence. Okay, we must in the exam write this rule, so we answer this question in correct way. Let's go to another question here. Let's go to another question here. Next question, lesson 2. It will be about phonics. Here we have, look, read, and circle the correct picture. So we have a correct picture. So here is a pronunciation, of the word, and we have a picture. So I select the suitable word by suitable picture. Here is a spider. Which one is spider? Is it a spider? Wrong. The spider is what? In this one. So I select this one. This is a spider. Next one. Snake. Which one is snake? This is this snake. You are clever pupils. I'm listening. You saying Iman the snake. I think you follow me on the videos and can answer the question very well. Here is it to be here. Sun. You are clever pupils. Here is we have spoon. Excellent. You are clever pupils. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here. So here we have missing letters. Here to be here S, snake. Here is sun. Here is spoon. Here is star. So here the letter here, it will be what? Letter S. So here it will be here letter S. I would like to know capital S and small s. Repeat after me, capital S and small s. S for snake, S for sun, S for spoon, S for star, and S for spider. So here is called what? Here is letter S. I will leave the next one to do it by yourself. Now we know the words related to this letter. I leave the next activity to do it by yourself, okay? To practice on how to write it. Let's go to another item here in this unit, in this part. Here it will be here sun. So here I when we rearrange this word, it will be here sun. So I would like to say you must keep the vocab very well to answer this question. This question can't answer without keeping the vocab. Here is a spoon, here is spider, okay? Here is spider. So we must keep the vocab very well to answer the question in correct way. Here is what? Sun, spoon, and spider. The grass is green. Is it right? Yes, it will be here right. This is a bird. You can see this is bird. No, not a bird. Let's go to another item here. Here we have what? Here is a star. Here is a star. Here is a star. Here is what? Here is a snack. If we keep the vocab, you can answer this question very well, okay? Here is snack and here is sky. Let's go to another one. I can see a star. No, it's not a star, it's butterfly. So this is a butterfly, not a star. This is a tree. Yes, this is a tree. I select this one. Let's go to another one here. Here is we have, it will be here flower. So I write here flower. It will be here flower. Here it will be here bird. Here it will be here tree. So if I keep the vocab, you can answer this very well. Here is flower, bird, and tree. This is a flower, right or wrong? It will be here right. Here is I can see a sky. This is the sky, not sky. So it will be what? It will be here bird. So the correct answer here, it will be bird, not sky. So I make wrong here. Bird written like this. I have a mistake here. Bird written like this. Okay, it's called bird. So this is bird, not what? Not sky. Let's go to another item here on the next lesson. Here. I would like to take care from the assessment book because the exam comes from it. Okay, you take care from the assessment book that the assessment book with your textbook must take care from the questions of it because the exam can't be out of it. Okay, here we have square or circle. No, it will be here circle. Triangle or square, it will be here triangle. It will be here square or circle. No, it will be square. Here, let's do it together. The next one, it will be here, it will be triangle. So here, it will be here triangle. Square, here is square. Here is rectangle. Rectangle. Here is rectangle. Rectangle. Here is rectangle. Here is circle. Here is rectangle, square, and circle. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here we have, let's apply that rule of that we know it. Here is subject, verb, object. I think this is the rule. So I answer two of them and I will leave the last one to do it by yourself. Where is the subject here? It will be the square. So here I start by the square. The square here is the subject. Where is the verb? Can search me for the verb. It will be here is what? Is blue. So here is subject, verb, object. So here is the component of sentence. Here is subject, here is verb, and here is object. Okay, now we know the component of sentence. Let's go to another one. The yellow sun is there is. So it will be here the what? The sun. This is the object. Sorry, subject, not object. Subject. Where the verb is, the sun is what? Is yellow. Okay, the sun is yellow. I will leave the last one to do it by yourself. Okay, the last one, I leave it to do it by yourself. Okay. So now I answer two of them, and I will leave the last one to do it by yourself. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is the exercise about phonics. Here we say, is it apple or arrow? No, it's apple. What is this? It's axe. I think all of us know it during the lesson. Here is ant. Here is arrow. Let's do this exercise together. Apple. Which one is apple? This one by this one. Number C by this one. Axe. This one by the last one. Ant. This one by this one. Arrow. This one by this one. Let's go to another one here. Here it will be here apple. It will be here axe. It will be here ant. And it will be here arrow. Okay. And here it will be arrow. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. So here we have, what is this? It's circle. So I select this one. What is this? What is this? It's what? It's axe. It's axe. What is this? It's an. Here is, this is a triangle. Right or wrong? To be here right. So I put here right. The square is blue. It's not a square. It's a rectangle, not a square. So the answer here, it will be wrong. Let's go to another one. Here we have, is it a square or circle? No, square. Is it axe or apple? No, it's apple. It's arrow. Here is, we have, this is a circle. So I put right here. Triangle, this is a circle. So I put right here. So here it will be right. Is it a triangle? If the triangle is blue, is it blue? No, it's not blue. It will be here yellow. So here we have a mistake. It will be here yellow, not blue. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have, if it is axe or ant, it will be here axe, not ant. Arrow or apple? No, it's apple. It's what? It's triangle. Let's go to another one. This is a triangle. No, it's not a triangle. It will be here. What? It will be here rectangle. The circle is blue. No, it's a circle, not blue. It's what? It's purple. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we end from unit 2. Next class, I will start unit 3. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.